Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to be going over how to create our natural gas forward curves within Zima, which we can later then pull into Spotfire to visualize in our natural gas dashboards. Will be exactly, well, pretty close to exactly the same as our forward crude pricing that we constructed last week. What we're going to do today, I already did the new analytic. So we come up here and we're going to change this date from from what it was to 01/01/2019. We're going to take this out 12/31/2022 because it's a forward curve. We're looking out in the future, and we're going to go down to monthly here. Data options. Again, we want to exclude both weekends and come down here. Ooh, flew way past it. And exclude holidays on the NYMEX. Next up, we come here to data source. And our data source will be the NYMEX. Our data report will be future settlements, natural gas, and here average to settle. Now our ticker, obviously, is going to be NG. Did I just blow past it? Where are we? There we go. NG. Here, attribute behavior. Again, we're going to create separate data series. Now under caption, let's do this NG most recent. Okay. Now up here under series options, we got to go down to forward analysis. Once you click that, it will open up the series options pane. Now I know I'm going a little bit fast because we've already ran through all of this with our crude forward curves. This is just trying to get you a feel for what we're changing here in the attributes. So this will be the most recent date. This all looks great. We're at monthly. Let's go ahead and hit apply. Perfect. NG most recent. Let's hit submit. Make sure it worked. That looks good. Excellent. All right. Now we're going to come back over here to our analytic. We're going to copy that guy down. Everything up here, except for the caption, remains the same. So we're going to do NG month. There we go. It all remains the same. Forecast date type, single date. So a month ago, we're going to rally this backwards here to 8/15 and leave that alone. Everything looks good. Let's go ahead and let me make sure I change that. Hit apply. Okay, and then submit. There we go. Cool. You can see some movement there in the forward curves already from a month ago. All right, now let's take this back, let's say to January 4th of 2019. So we're going to go back here to the analytic. We're going to copy this one down to C. We are going to change this to Jan 4, 2019. Come down here. 01, 04, 2019. It's a Friday. Cool. We'll hit apply. Submit. There we go. Now we've got our lines working. Take it on back. Now let's go a year ago. Let's look at Jan 4, 2018. Copy this guy down. Let's change this 19 to an 18. Come down here. This all looks good. We'll do the same thing here. 2018. And let's go ahead and hit apply. Change it and submit. Again, we're submitting after every round, so that way we know if something looks goofy over here, we'll know what did it, or what change made that happen. So far, everything is looking perfect. Let's take it back to 17. Same process, change the captions. That way you know what line or which line you're looking at whenever you hit submit. That all looks good. And here we are at 2017. Apply and submit. There you go. There are your forward curves. Your 5, you can take it back even further if you'd like. But for the sake of this video, we will stop it there at 2017. You can go back 2016, 2015, and kind of see where we were in terms of the natural gas forward curve. Don't forget to save it, rename it. Let me walk through that. Save as, name, natural gas forward curves. And then our group, this will be our nat gas pricing. There you go.